Let's see if third time's a charm. Back at Morningside Park for the salmon run. And there's my spot. Let's see if I can get down there without hurting myself. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh yeah. Okay, not as bad as it was before. Someone with their little party here. This is one of my off Saturdays. Actually, all my Saturdays are now off. According to my car, it is around 10 degrees right now, so it's really cool. That's when the salmon should be active. Did I have something in my hair? And right now I'm not seeing much of anything. But I brought the drone with me, and they put like a CPL on it and do some scouting in the sky. Okay, this is really weird. I just got these filters that came with a kit with this bag actually. And these don't fit on here in any way I can think possible. There's nothing on here. Nope. Huh. I mean, there's no clippy end. I don't get it. These might have been a waste. Okay. I'll put her in there, no filter. Well, that's a bummer about my usual spot. Same as last year. That's been a bit of a downer. I think it's because down the way is U of T Scarborough. The year after the first time I came and got those great footage of the salmon jumping right at that spot.
Oh, it made it!
It started around there, the year after. And ever since, I have not seen, well, shouldn't say that. I did see some salmon last year, or at least I saw signs of them. Already dead ones, mind you. So I don't know if I should go further downstream or if I should head upstream to see if I can find them. I'm gonna go down a little bit and then I'll head the other way. Find another nice little spot for the salmon to jump. Only there is no salmon here either. I've gone pretty far upstream this time. Probably about 1 kilometer. And in that entire time, I still saw no signs of salmon. I'm going to walk a little bit further and see what else I run into. Didn't get much in terms of good shots either. Well, I walked all the way south to pretty much Old Kingston Road. Still no signs of salmon, despite I know people out in Bowmanville and even the Don Valley. They're there. They're just not here. I got some images of a whole bunch of, I think other blue jays are passing by. They were fast. I couldn't get closer than 150 mils on this thing. Again, looks like this year's another bust. But again, at least with Saturdays available, I can come back here more often, check it out. I think this will be the last year I'll come by. If I don't see anything, I won't come back here again this next year. That's unfortunate. Well, I'm back again. And here's hoping I'll get luckier this time. I see no salmon in this little lake bed. But I was told if I follow this path that direction, close to Overly, that's where the salmon are. Let's see if there's any truth to that. Here's a cute little squirrel there. Nope, wrong setting. This one. Where'd he go? Hey, bro. Oh, he's still there. Don't know if you can see him in this though. Brave little guy. He's pretty close to me. That guy ran by, didn't even move. Got a couple shots of him at least. Nice fall colors coming in though. You know, they better be here this time because this is the most promising conditions I have ever came here on. It's been raining all week. It is like around 18 degrees right now, so it's cool enough. I got a tip off that there are salmon should be further up this direction. I haven't seen any signs of them though. Not even dead ones this time. Coming up over this first overpass and I don't know if I can see any fish at all. Can't really see anything. Oh crap, don't tell me. There's no way around it. This is exactly what happened. Those 2 times I came over, because for at least 2 years after I had that initial successful salmon run show, going the other direction, I could not pass. The whole trail was closed off. And I still think that's the reason why I haven't seen any salmon or much salmon past couple of years. So far, none today, none this year. Oh, there's another big jump over there. Oh, it's like a ladder too. Jump number 2. Jump number 1 is over there. And again, I don't spot any salmon in the water around here. This is truly disheartening. Ugh. Giant ass worm. Yeah, this is not promising. Note to self, check the map more often. Dummy. Okay, that's what I did wrong. That first overpass, I shouldn't have crossed it. I should have gone straight to that sort of path that leaves that direction. Okay. Just why I went so far too. God damn it. Here's that fork. Best of luck to me. Okay, I'm on track now. But this water level seems really low. I don't know if the salmon prefers this or not. And I don't really see any signs of any living or dead salmon so far. There's a lady behind me there, walked past, one with a walking stick. She came the other direction, and she says she saw nothing but a dead salmon. And I showed her how far I've walked, and I've seen no salmon, so she got luckier than me. Yeah, but she heard the same thing, that because of the construction over at U of T Scarborough, we have not seen much salmon stocks along this stream for a number of years. So it might have been a destructive event, or maybe I am too early. I'm not sure. This is a nice park though. And I think she said this is where she saw the salmon, the dead one. Hey, look, there's more construction around here too. I don't think all this is helping. There we go. Come on. Autofocus. Stupid. Yeah, the manual. Cycle manual. I don't know. Ah, you're losing again.
There's one just like staying still closer to us. I think that's two.
Too bad they're already past the point of jumping. Do you know which one you parked at, or which one? And then when you get to the fork, you turn, go left. Just keep going straight. Then you'll see like the big open area, and you'll see the park from there. Vlogging? Want to talk about it?
What? You're vlogging already?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so basically, and then when I came back, there was this girl behind me, and she was like, "Oh, can you help me? I lost my parents and stuff." And then she asked me where the parking lot is. We told her, or my dad told her to go whatever way, yeah. And then I had to go chase her again because I didn't want her to get lost again. So, and then I told her, "Oh, do you know your dad's phone number or your mom's phone number?" And she said, "Yeah, I know my mom's, not my dad's." And then, yeah, they called him and whatnot. And then we were walking, and then we found her parents again, which is it's such a good feeling. Like, okay, you can stop now. Stop.
Good Samaritan. Good Samaritan story. So after how many years of me trying to come back here and looking for salmon and not having much success, we got success.
I'm your lucky charm. You're welcome.
And we helped out a little lost girl too.
I should come more often. I feel like she only came up to us because I was there. Because, like, you know, girl to girl.
Or maybe because we were the first person she ran into when she realized she was lost.
Maybe. I mean, like, there's
just jumped by.
There's other kind of people. Oh yeah, and while we were walking with the girl, I saw a blue jay. It was
yeah, I saw it.
It was clear too. You could see the blue stuff.
Oh well, you missed it. That's fine.
Are you filming me again? Oh,
yes.
My God.